Hi guys, and welcome to this exciting tutorial with me, Dona. In this tutorial we're gonna be doing George Pampidou Center basic structure like we see here on my 3D. Okay, so we're gonna be doing all of these structures. I will show you the method used to get this result here, and then you'll be able to continue it till the end. I'm going to show you the real image of George Pompidou Center here, like we see it is in Paris. All right, so let's get started. So firstly, we're going to be using a new project. You create a new project on Archicad. All right, so you get a new Archicad, and the first thing to do is change your working units. Let's change to centimeter, then hit OK. So the first thing to do is we're going to draw the basic element of the structure, and to do that we will need to use lines and morphs. I take the line tool here. I will need a circle, okay? Radius 37.5. There you are. And from this, I will need an oval, an ellipse. I will draw an ellipse like an avocado, okay? After that, I will take the polyline. Maybe I will need a guideline that I will put at the center, and then now an arc, 3 points. Maybe I will do it like this. There you are, hit OK. All right, so we've got our avocado with the little tree. Now I will take the center. I will take this center and I select this and I will make a copy. I will make a copy of that tree. All right, so from this center, I will take 120, maybe not from the center, but this here, okay, 120, there you are, okay, and put another guideline here. All right, so this here will be the connection. All right, so what we do next? The next thing to do is we're going to draw another circle here. From the X, we take 617, like this, okay, and then draw a circle. We take the good circle here, radius 12.5. There you are. So what we do now is we're going to connect this, take the polyline, then let's draw something like that, okay, and maybe, yeah, that's good, maybe just bring this one a little bit inside. When you've done that, you make a mirror copy like I do here, huh? Okay, so now this one we need to make another copy. another copy, move, drag a copy, Control Shift D. Okay, then give it radius, let's say 18. Okay, there you are. So now we're going to start adding our morphs. Okay, so I will try to separate these forms here. What we're trying to do with this basic form is, you see this hand here, this here. Yeah, this is what we are trying to do. All right, so I will come back to our project here. Then what I need to do now is I will draw a morph. I will draw a morph with this shape, maybe here. Or I will, okay, it's okay, it's okay. We'll draw my shape this way. Okay, that is the first shape. Now another one. I will draw let's say I'm gonna have a connection here, 50. Okay, so let's draw a line 15. Like that, and mirror a copy of this one. There you are. Okay, so select all of these. Yes, select all and mirror, no, make a copy. A Y, my Control Shift D is not working. Okay, so I just go here, drag a copy, and try to put it on the clean side of your working space. So I need to close this like that, and now I take the Morph tool and fill this with Morph, and what left to do is this oval. Okay, maybe I will just need this one here, or directly with this one. Make a copy, drag a copy and put it to a clean part. Then take the Morph tool and fill it with a Morph, and now Control Z. Maybe we need a copy of this. Then yeah, just take the Morph and fill this with Morph. Okay, and now bring this back to its place. Okay, and select this one also and put it back here. All right, so now I take this one and put it back to its place here. There you are. What's left to do is this one here. Select all of them, make a copy. Okay, I take the Morph tool and fill this with Morph.